This easy, stretchy bind off is my favorite way to have the finished edge be really flexible. Hi, I'm Kristen. Thank you for joining me here at Studio Knit. The regular bind off technique can make your edge really rigid so it doesn't have any stretch. Enter the stretchy bind off. This is a knitting technique that I'm using in the upcoming Bernat Stitch Along. Thank you to Joanne for partnering with me on this project and sponsoring the announcement in this video. The Stitch Along begins September 17th, and I will let you know a little bit more about it at the end of this video and have a link down in the description below. So let's knit it up. We begin by simply knitting that first stitch. That's step one, knitting one stitch. Now step two is wrapping our working yarn clockwise. That's why I put CW for clockwise, one time around. Step three, knitting one stitch. And then the magic happens in step four, where we take those first two stitches right here, 1 and 2, and we are going to pass it over the last stitch. So we take our left needle and we pick up those first two stitches and we pass it over the last stitch. And we go all the way down the row, repeating steps 2, 3, and 4. So let's do it again together. So step two is we wrap clockwise, and then step three is knitting one stitch, and step four is where we pass those two stitches, take our left needle, get it right under those two stitches, and pass it over the last stitch. Okay, let's do it one more time here so you don't have to rewind the video. We're going to wrap the yarn one time clockwise. Step three, we are knitting one stitch. And then to finish it up, we just pick up those first two stitches with our left needle and we pass them over the last stitch. Now just keep on going all the way down and let's see how we do it at the end. So when you have one stitch on your left needle, then you wrap that yarn around, you do your one knit stitch, and then you're just finishing it up by doing your last step, which is passing those two stitches over. Of course, you are going to cut your yarn, get that tapestry needle, and you can weave in your ends. So just take out your knitting needle, bring your yarn through, and weave in your ends, and you are done. I really love the stretchy bind off in the Bernat Stitch Along because I'm finding that the different sections of my blanket are fitting best together when the finished edges have more give to them with this technique. I am going to be announcing a new mystery clue each week. So week one, you will find it over on the Bernat Stitch Along Facebook page. I have links to everything you need to know in the description below and where to go. And from there, we are going to be creating a beautiful Afghan over the course of 6 weeks. We also have some bonus projects. So weeks 1, 2, and 3, there's a really comfy pillow, and then weeks 4 through 6 there's also a basket. Those are totally optional. Of course you can pick and choose which projects you'd like to do, but they have been designed that you can complete them all over the course of these 6 weeks. I really hope that you join along in the upcoming Bernat Stitch Along. It's going to be so much fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you here next time, guys. Bye!